Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Schedulicity. In this video, I'm going to be going over reports to help keep track of your income. The Recorded Revenue Report is a great way to track and manage all the payments you've collected through your Schedulicity account. You can use a bird's eye view of your transactions to get a sense of how much you've charged and drill into any specific payments if you want to check out the details. The exported version even has a call out specifically for gratuity, so you can see just how much you've made in tips for the month. Pretty cool, right? This report is found under Settings, but keep in mind it's only available with the admin login. Let's go through some steps to pull and export the report, and then you can play around with all the options. To export your Recorded Revenue Report, navigate to the Settings tab in the Schedulicity dashboard, and then open up the Payments and Products page. Select Transactions box, select your date range, confirmation number or tender type if you want, and then you can choose to export to Excel. The list will then download to your browser, and you also have the option to open the revenue report in Excel. Now let's look at the Ticket Management Report. This report is a great place to go to get an idea of what's been going on in your account when it comes to payments. You'll be able to pull a list of clients' unpaid tickets or pull a list of no-shows from last week. To access the Ticket Manager report, navigate to Settings and then click on the Payments and Products tile. The ticket report will be directly below the information about payment integrations. The Ticket Management Report will be a record of every ticket within your account, and there are quite a few filters for you to sort through the tickets. And if a client needs a record of what they paid for their visit, you do also have the option to print or email their ticket, just by clicking the 3 vertical dots to the right of the ticket total. And then that will have a breakdown of what they purchased and each payment they made. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.